Understanding a narrow escape in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, a narrow escape. This phrase is not only common in everyday conversation but also rich in imagery and meaning. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you grasp it fully. A narrow escape refers to a situation where someone almost experiences a serious problem, danger, or disaster, but manages to avoid it just in time. The word narrow in this context implies that there was only a small margin between safety and harm. This phrase can be traced back to instances where the difference between life and death was slim, emphasizing the closeness of the encounter. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various contexts. Whether it's escaping a near accident, avoiding a serious mistake at work, or even missing a dangerous situation by a whisker, a narrow escape perfectly captures these scenarios. It's important to note that this phrase is used retrospectively, looking back on an event that could have turned out much worse. 1. Physical danger. She had a narrow escape when a car almost hit her as she crossed the street. 2. Work-related situations. I had a narrow escape when I almost sent the wrong report to our client. 3. General life situations. We had a narrow escape when we left the building moments before the blackout occurred. Be cautious not to confuse a narrow escape with simply escaping or avoiding something that isn't necessarily dangerous or serious. It's the element of significant risk or danger that truly defines a narrow escape. A narrow escape is a vivid and expressive phrase in the English language, depicting a situation of close call with danger or trouble. Remember, its power lies in the imagery of narrowly avoiding a serious mishap. I hope this video helps you understand and use a narrow escape confidently in your conversations. Stay curious and keep learning.